Serco is your partner for innovative and reliable on-site flange and valve machining operations. Serco has been the leader in innovation and technology for design and manufacture of portable flange and valve machining units. Our knowledge sets us apart, our equipment is easy to use and extremely accurate. The lightweight, precision, and user-friendly characteristics that represent the most important factors of in-situ machining are also key advantages of Serco machine. Serco equipment is used for the construction, maintenance, and repair of flanges, grooves, relief valves, sealing valves, high-pressure valves, down pin extractions, external and internal threading operations, flat seats, conical seats, manholes, diesel and gas engine blocks, RTGA grooves, and more. Serco offers a wide range of equipment that includes boring and surfacing machines, grinding machines, threading machines, coating removal machines, and special machining equipment. Our innovative portable machining equipment and custom equipment solutions help you work safely and efficiently. All Serco machines are quick and simple to install, easy to use, safe, reliable, dependable, and have innovative technology upgrades. Serco machines are able to provide a variety of surface finishes. They are able to achieve a surface roughness of RA 0.8 to 12.5, even more when necessary. Spiral or concentric serrated surfaces and grooves are also possible. These machines are small and lightweight with reduced dimensions that enable them to provide optimal handling and higher productivity. Serco also designs specific machines for the maintenance and repair of flanges and valves. These machines assist in increasing the lifetime and improving the performance of critical components. Our machines are suitable for all materials: stainless steel, mild or alloy steels, duplex, super duplex, Inconel, and virtually all exotic alloys. Your needs are unique and our solutions are unique to you.